So with my new kitchen renovation, which is an ongoing task, but that's where I'm at the moment, um, I did this. I built a tablet into the wall. It is fully detachable and can be removed. So if it needs to be repaired or replaced, it can be done so. Power is via USB connector at the bottom there. It just goes in there. And I had done the power through to the back cupboard here, which is still also a work in progress. But there is a USB enabled power plug in the back there that gets powered. Also something I added today. But yeah, very happy with the fact that I now have a tablet attached to the wall, and I'm using it as a photo player using Photo Premium, which is an Android app directly connected to my Google Photos, and it's a full-fledged Android tablet, so I can do all the necessary Android stuff on it as well. Check the weather, you know, play well, not play games, but play YouTube when I'm busy, maybe watching or eating. Can check the weather. Most likely get my calendar hooked into here so that they can give me notifications in the mornings of things I need to do and stuff. But yeah, the main purpose is photo album. We've got all these wonderful digital photos, but we never look at them. And this is now a means to get that done. Cool. Anyways, that is my current kitchen enhancement. Something that I wanted to do for a while and finally got around to.